Alright guys, I finally got it. If you didn't see, I actually got the film reel. Just please don't kill me, okay? I don't trust you that much. Alright. I had very much have a bad feeling about this with them. Stick pull. Alright, I'm gonna get to the part where I get an OG map. Hey, I'm gonna go. Hey, come at OG map so I can so you can come with me too. Do you want to come to OG map? Hello? Come to OG map. Hello? Be my friend for some reason. Alright. Alright. La la la, la la la. Don't think my friend's gonna come, but okay.
Jimmy, stop! Jimmy, stop! Jimmy! Jimmy!
Oh yeah, the real. Come back. Come to the OG map. I'm doing the real thing right now. There's like a lot of OG.
That's such a fun trampoline!
Would you rather a free rocket
Yeah, come
or a
to.
mystery bag?
Come, hurry. The portal open.
Oh, God did it for me.
Sorry, but I have to go. What do you mean? No! What are you doing? No!
Get out of the water! Oh, it's flagging!
I mean, just look at her.
Oh, the portal opens. The portal opens. Are you coming? Oh, holy whoa. I know, but it didn't show anything. Oh. Whoa, this is cool. Kim. Oh. Oh no. This is sick. Sure. Whoa. Bro, this is cool. There's like a bunch of credit scenes. Yeah, it's like achievements. Bro. Yeah, kinda. Oh. Also, I'm recording, so don't actually say my real name. Hold on, I actually need to. No. Okay, hold on, I actually need to. I guarantee you should come. What? Okay, oh, it's kind of glitchy though. Let's get again. Whoa, this is sick. Oh, the key's there. No? You can't grab this? It's trippy. I don't think I'd... I'm on the hunt down for these credits. Alright. Holy crap, my thing's so glitchy. This is sick. Why the audio? Why is the audio like this? No, not yet. I'm getting all the credits installed. Oh wow, I have a lot to go. Yeah, I have watched Harry Potter. No. It's because I haven't finished them and I've been busy. No. Holy. No, I like Harry Potter. Like watching it. I would hurry. I would hurry. I think the portal closed or not. It'd be cooler if you were here, but okay. It's fine. Am I on? What the heck am I on right now? There's like so many. It's like Pokemon, you have to like collect them all at the same time. It's like you don't know where to start. You ready to go? Wait, don't they have the CEO big brain? Don't they have a CEO in J-Man's curly thing? Yeah, they have a CEO thing in Smackle, I'm pretty sure. Actually, I'm at OG map, and I went for the portal. But why the strange audio? That's just my question. I mean, it's kind of fire, but at the same time, it's not. What if I missed it? Also, if you get all the credit scene, like every credit scene gives you companies, coins. Yeah, they really give you company coins. How much do I have? Holy, that's crazy. It looks cool, I like it. Do you have every single item in the game? Cool. I barely got... Oh, that's a snowboard I have. Yeah. What? Oh, that's cool. Wait. Is that one of those like galaxy blocks things? No, I was talking about like a thing. This is sick. The fact that I'm posting this to YouTube makes it better. Me? I don't care. Bro, you should totally come. Holy, there's a lot more than I expected. So, it's a robo monkey. Did I miss any over there? There's like hardcore popcore. Nope, not yet. No, I don't. Oh. I'm trying to cook right now. I believe there's more. Don't be kidding me. Oh. Hold on, I'm clutching. This is kind of taking me a long time to get all these credits. Yeah, this credit. No. Oh. That scared me. Also, the portal's still open. You can come if you want. No? To me, it's still open. Oh, you do? No music? No, never mind. Oh. Alright. Nope, I'm still over here. Reasons why it's taking me a long time is because I'm trying to find where these things are. So do you see like these like black and white things? Well, they're like credit scenes, like the achievements. I know, but it's just a cool thing to unlock. Plus, they give you company coins. Yes, they do. I'm not fake. They actually give you company coins. I'm just gonna say unlock them all. If I didn't, it's fine. But I think like the more credit things you unlock, the more names there's gonna be. Oh, God. Get on that, maybe. Is this a flamethrower? So, very big flamethrower. I don't want to know what the heck I'm standing on. Oh God, I think I know what the heck. I'm standing on a giant yacht. Yeah, of course it was a giant, that I'm standing on. The Galaxy yacht. No. On a rainbow. Oh. No, don't. No. No. Yeah, this. I can cut it out though. No. No. Yeah, I am. I'm cutting it out. Huh? That scared me for a second. Galaxy, no, don't do that. Don't. I'm gonna cut that. Oh no. Shotgun? Oh. Banana. Do not touch. Dev zombie. Divisible. Sad. No. Alright. The end, I guess. Oh, big red button. Whoa! I'm getting yeeted! Whoa! This is cool! Bro, I'm getting yeeted! Oh my God! Why did this give me a vine boom? That was insane. Holy, that was insane.
You like my new invention?
And I got this special snowboard. Let's go. That's kind of cool.
Also.
Ow. I got it.
It can fly by its own also. It's from the future.
That's
Oh,
cool.
get that off.
Well, I'm just gonna
It can fly by its own.
I'm just gonna... Well, that was insane.
Why did you hang up?
Because I don't want it to be echoing anymore. Well, that was insane. And now my game's a little laggy. And I'm gonna see how much company coins I just got. And holy, I know I'm kind of late. Nice. I know I'm kind of late at this trend or something like that. But that, I just want to let you know that was really
Can you get on my new invention?
Yeah, in a minute. I just want to say that was insane. That was insane. Hold on. And thank you for watching. And just to let you know.
These aren't the batteries.
And that was insane. I loved it. Thank you, devs. And thank you, devs. I appreciated that, even though I'm kind of late. So, I just want to say, that was, like, still, I think that was the most insane update mixed with this Goop invention update thing. Saved Goop products. So, that was insane. Like, that was so cool. Even though how much that was, I really appreciated it. So, anyways.
You got my invention, bro.
What did I do? Anyways, thank you for watching. And check out my new YouTube channel. Anyways, bye.